Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline styles, and right now we'll be discussing about CSS outline style with read value. In our previous tutorial, we discussed about the CSS outline style with group value. So I'm going to show you how this works. This is our group value, but right now I want to change it to read style. So right here, this is our body element that is having the outline style. So I'm going to change this to read style. So I'm changing it to read value. Reload our document and see what we got. Can you see the way the reach is looking? It's looking like a 3D also. You can use this in your document just in case you need it. So just try to practice with this, because practice make perfect. Back to our document right here, we want to change this one. We don't want to have it in our body element, so we think if we have it in our set element, let's see how it looks also. I'm just trying to do this in different elements so you guys can see how it works with different elements. Now I'm specifying, I'm changing the outline style right here. I'm giving it value of read. In our future tutorial, we will still be discussing about the outline offset, outline width, which I used in our previous tutorials. So let's reload our document and remove this outline from our body element and give it to this our set element right here. Let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see immediately as we reload, the outline is now inside our set element. So please practice this. See the way it's looking. You can use it in your document just in case you need it. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Thank you so much. Bye.